Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Ford Taurus Limited and I will show you how to remove and replace the battery. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2013 all the way up to 2019. Replacing the battery on Ford Taurus is very easy. It's located under the front hood right here. It's very easy accessible. All you will need is a 10mm socket or a 10mm wrench key. Now first you want to remove the battery holder, which is securing the battery in place. This is the battery holder. It's held by two 10mm nuts, so you want to remove those and remove the battery holder. Once you have these two nuts off, you can just pull this holder all the way off the battery. And now the battery is free to move. All you have to do, you have to disconnect the negative and positive battery terminal. Now one very important thing when disconnecting the battery, you always first want to disconnect the negative battery terminal, then the positive, to avoid any kind of shorts. And when you are connecting back the new battery, always first connect the positive, then the negative. Now to remove the cable, all you have to do, just have to wiggle it and pull it up. And it should go off. Now in some cases, if the battery wasn't removed for a long time, this can get stuck. Then what you can try doing, you can try using something like a flat screwdriver to help out and try to pry it from underneath, right? That's one idea. And if it's still not going, then you can try tapping with the screwdriver here on the top with the hammer, and that should loosen it up. But that's the idea. Now you can do the same thing with the positive one. Same thing here, just want to wiggle all this off. Just like that, you see. And once you have removed both of the cables, the battery is completely loose and you can pretty much just pull it up and remove it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.